Hello owners of Dimsport devices, I am Marcin from ATOCAN. Today I will guide you through registering a helpdesk account. Remember that your device must be connected to the computer at all times. Most of you have Flashpoint downloaded, so let's move on to launching the RaceF application. I will only add that Windows must be up to date and Flashpoint must also be up to date. Confirm that you have read the terms and conditions and agree. Go to the Help tab, then Reserved Area, and enter. Now come up with a password. It can't be easy to guess. See Requirements. After confirming your password, you will be redirected to the Dimsport website. Fill in your details and press Save. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy using your Dimsport devices.